Here's a 2014 Silverado. Just going to point out what will or will not need repaired. Skid plate hanging down there a little bit. A little bit of paint peel on the fenders. Some dings around the box side. They had toolboxes in it, so it's been rubbed off some of the paint on the tailgate's missing the top cap and bent up. There's the bed. Driver's side wheel well. Obviously has some paint peel on it. And the box side. Move to the back seat, looks pretty good. A little bit of wear and tear on the get in. The driver's side. Seat's got some tears there. Some duct tape here, must have wore it out. Duct tape on the other side too a little bit. Needs a windshield. I don't know if you can see the crack in there, but it definitely needs replaced. Then finally, a little more around the wheel well. Hood's good. Doors seem to be good. Most of the stuff that's wrong is, like I said, back on the box side. So there you go.